Good morning, Mr. Martin.
Good morning, Miss Haywood. How are you doing, Your Honor?
I'm good, sir. Mr. Martin, can you put your right hand up for me, please?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you solemnly swear or affirm any testimony you give in this matter will be true?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you can put your hand down, sir. You're before the court on case 2025-CR03229 for criminal trespass, count 1, and public transit violation, count 2. You're represented by Attorney Menedas, who's here with you. Mr. Menedas, what does your client plead to the offenses before the court?
Your Honor, we'd like to present a negotiated guilty plea to this honorable court.
Okay, on both counts?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. So, Mr. Martin, by entering a plea of guilty to count 1 and 2, sir, you give up the right to have a trial by jury or judge. You give up the right to have the state prove your guilt beyond a reasonable doubt. You give up the right to have the presumption of innocence in your favor. You give up the right to confront witnesses, subpoena witnesses, present testimony and evidence on your behalf, to not incriminate yourself or present any testimony or evidence against yourself. And Mr. Martin, if you're not a United States citizen, a plea of guilty or no contest could negatively impact your immigration status. Do you understand all of these things, sir?
Can you repeat that? Because I've been a citizen since 2000.
No, sir, I tell that to everybody. I don't ask whether you're a citizen or not. I just make sure everybody has the same information, okay?
Okay, oh, you should state facts. Okay.
Yeah, I'm just telling you what this plea means and the fact that if that was a concern for you, then I have to give you that information. No, sir, it's not you specifically. I say the same thing to everybody.
Oh, yeah. Okay, that's cool. That's cool. Hey, look,
all right. So by entering these, so did you understand everything now that we've clarified that?
Heard.
Okay. All right. So factual basis and recommendation, please.
Yes, Your Honor. And if you can't hear me, just let me know and I'll move closer.
Oh, I hear you.
On February 25th, 2025, officers were patrolling the area at the MARTA Airport Station. Officers observed the defendant, later identified as Mr. Martin, push his body weight against the fare gate to avoid paying the $2.50 to ride. Officers made contact with that individual and noticed that he had a 365-day suspension that was issued on September the 2nd, 2025, and it was effective until October the 2nd, 2025. Those are the facts of the case, Your Honor. The state's recommendation is to dismiss count 2, the public transportation tokens/tickets, and he will plead to count 1, criminal trespass. State's recommendation is 12 months to serve, 50 days credit for time served, balance suspended, do not return to that location.
All right. So, Mr. Martin, the state is going to null pros count 2. So you're entering a plea to count 1 only?
Yes, sneaker there, sorry.
Okay, no problem. And for count 1, it's 12 months to serve, 50 days credit for time served. Balance will be suspended as long as you do not go back to the incident location and as long as you do not have any other violations of the laws of the state of Georgia, okay?
Okay, God bless you.
Thank you, Mr. Martin. God bless you too.
Okay, I'm gonna just make sure I'm coherent. One more thing.
Yeah.
Restitution, what does that mean? Like, what's the definition of it?
Oh, so restitution would mean if you hurt someone or took or damaged their property, you would have to pay them back. But you don't have any restitution in this that I'm aware of.
Okay, I like that.
Okay, so you're good, Mr. Martin. You're good to go.
All right, thank you, Judge. And one last thing, since he is supposed to be released today, and I know there's sometimes a delay with the classifications. Is there anything?
Look now, Ms. Menedas, what you're not going to do is get me talk about what goes on at the sheriff's office. According to me, he's free as of today. I don't get involved with all of that.
Thank you, Judge.